Hey, Julie Thomas here with the STR Visionary, and today I want to talk about falling in love with financial freedom, or AKA breaking up with financial stress. When a lot of people get into short-term rental properties, they're doing it because they're looking for additional sources of income. And that additional source of income through real estate investment can happen in a few different ways. Not only can properties pay for themselves, but it can give you additional income in the moment to use to support your lifestyle. It could give you income to save to grow your portfolio. It could just simply be used to diversify your retirement portfolio. It really just depends on what your ultimate goal is. But I want to take a quick pause here really quick and say something that I feel like a lot of gurus, people in this industry, coaches in this industry are not always transparent about. And that is the fact that although short-term rental real estate can bring you financial freedom, it's not necessarily going to happen with one property. It's not necessarily going to be 100% passive. And there is definitely work involved, and there is definitely financial planning that needs to be involved in order for you to be successful with this type of side hustle. So with Ben and I's properties in particular, with our very first rental, what we recognized is that not only was it going to pay for itself, but it also allowed us to have money to begin traveling and pursuing some of the things that we personally wanted to pursue. We also recognized that it was going to help us save to purchase another short-term rental property. But in people's minds, it's, oh, okay, well, if I buy this one, it's going to bring me in so much income right out of the gate that I'm instantly going to be able to go purchase a second property and a third property and a fourth property. And depending on your investment strategy, that may be true. However, what we have found is that it's taken us about 2 years between each property to be able to purchase our next door, right? Our next property. And I am really stinking proud of that. That yes, like our portfolio didn't grow from 0 to 30 doors, but we picked the right 6 doors to invest in for our investment needs and our investment goals. And we grew our portfolio intentionally through the purchase of that first property. So while short-term rentals can bring you financial freedom, I don't want there to be that continued myth out there that that's going to happen automatically. It takes time, my friend, okay? Now, in spite of that, if financial freedom is your love language, you can still drop a heart emoji below and let me know that that's what you're hoping for with short-term rentals, and then we can kind of navigate the how might you get to that depending on what your investment strategy is.